Most of you guys actually misunderstand what lead trading actually is. So I've been trading with lead trading for a couple of years now, and I can definitely ensure to you that what you mostly see on the internet saying that, trading this way or that way is lead trading, it just isn't. It's not what they actually want you to believe it is. It's not a holy grail. I have this idea that most of you guys that are searching about this on the internet actually want to find something that can make you guys ping pong trades like crazy, with crazy risk reward and stuff like that. The whole trading idea behind those trades you see on the internet, or even the trades, the lead trading, let's say, teachers or the guys that popularizing the term lead trading, that is liquidity and inducement theorem on the internet. The trades you see them posting on your social media, those trades carry multiple stop loss, but they don't post the stop loss itself. They post, of course, the trades that actually ended up being take profit, right? Today, I have some trades that I actually took on USD and gold, also using lead trading. And just to exemplify it for you guys, okay, I took, I think, 3 trades today, yeah? 2 on gold, 1 on USD. We have multiple other opportunities, of course, using lead trading. You have multiple other opportunities. But the whole point of this video is to explain to you guys what lead trading actually is. And to, I don't know if that's the right word, but I think demystify this idea that lead trading is the holy grail of trading. Something that it just not, that's not the truth at all. Actually, when it comes to trading, there is no holy grail at all. For everything, if I do a quick search here, look, lead trading on my laptop and go to image, those type of trades you see right here. Look at this. If you think when you learn lead trading, you will be able to catch those entries, you are totally wrong. You won't. Actually, you will be able to catch those entries, but the stop losses, they didn't post it, right? They just posted the take profit trades. I can ensure to you, they had a stop loss at some level around here. They had a stop loss at some level around here, probably here also, and multiple orders. Okay, you see this level right here, they probably had a stop loss around here, and then they took this entry right here. Same thing here, and then they took this entry. In order to catch lead trading trades using, how can I say, just lead trading, you will take multiple stop loss, but at the end of the day, because of lead trading trades, they have huge, like exponential risk reward, like 1 to 12, 1 to 10 is minimum actually, 1 to 20, 1 to 40 maybe sometimes, 1 to 10, 1 to 12, whatever. You will end up making a lot of money. But my whole point is, most people misunderstand what lead trading actually is, and I'm here to try to explain to you guys what it actually is. Lead trading, that stands for liquidity and inducement theorem. It's something simple, okay? When we talk about lead trading, we are talking about zones. Yeah, like the same thing like supply and demand, okay? But in a totally different and way more advanced level. As you guys probably already know, you don't see a lot of lead trading content on the internet explaining step by step all the things, because in order to learn lead trading, you need to sign an NDA, and no one want to get a cease and desist letter or something like that. So most people just they keep everything in a gray area where they can't get sued, but at the same time they can teach you guys something. And I will try to do the same thing here, okay? For example, if I say, I have other videos also on my YouTube channel, you guys can feel free to check it out, okay? If I say that here we have a lead trading zone, a lead zone, you guys can see this one. It's because I was able to refine this level. You see this level right here? I was able to refine this level on lower time frames, even lower than 1 minute, and find a level where I could actually have a certain pattern that we can identify as a lead trading zone. And specifically, Usually when you see those levels on lower time frames, if you go on higher time frames, when we are talking about little trades, 1 minute is already a higher time frame, okay? But when you go to 1 hour, 1 minute time frame, you will usually see this type of candle formation, candle pattern. You will see a wick touching on its own and then going immediately getting rejected, and the price going upward or become bullish on, or even bearish on a different level, a different direction. So you have something like this. So this is a bullish little trading zone, okay? This usually will be on 1 minute. I can show to you guys on 5 seconds, 1 second, and other time frames lower than that, but I can see that on 1 minute, what you will usually see is something like this. On 1 minute time frame, you will see this, okay? This is a wick. We have here, let's say, a demand zone, but this zone can be refined as a liquidity and inducement area zone on the lower time frame. You could actually even end up with something like this sometimes, but in this case, we have something around here, okay? Around here. And this zone right here, you can identify as a little trading zone. But you will probably say, well, that's don't look like it's something too different from a let's say, supply and demand level. Of course, it don't look like, right? But I can show to you another little trading zone that was this one right here. And I think here you don't see it has a demand level anymore, right? You see, I put this mark right here. It's a valid trade, okay? But it's too risky to take. And I didn't even place my order here. But you can see clearly, this right here is also a little trading zone. This trade, this is the kind of trades you see those guys, the people that trade, that usually take little trading trades taking, right? Very small stop loss, very, very small, and the take profit is huge, usually. You see this? This little trade right here is already 1 to 8. If I want 1 to 10, it's just something like this. And you can see it's a very complicated zone, very hard to understand. It's a concept that I can ensure to you that less than 40% of every single student's little trading teacher head become profitable. At least using little trade alone, just little trading. I can ensure to you that. Of course, they will hide these statistics, these stats from you guys, but I can ensure to you, less than 40%. It's not an easy concept to understand. It's not an easy concept to apply. And above all, it's a hard content. Even if you understand and start to apply, it's a hard content. It's a hard concept, because multiple times, what will end up happening is you will take multiple stop loss and then, make a big trade. In order to, as I told you guys, in order to catch those, we have 2, 4, those 6 trades right here. I can assure you that at least they took also 6 stop losses. But they are the teacher. They master this trading strategy. If you didn't, you will probably take like 12 stop loss, 13, 14, 15 stop loss in order to catch those 6 trades. At the end of the day, you will make huge risk rewards. With just one trade, you can even break even everything. But if you're not, if you didn't master it everything as you should, of course, you can end up losing money, or even you can end up saying that little trading doesn't work just because you didn't become profitable using it. That you ended up losing money applying this strategy. But it doesn't mean it doesn't work, you see. For example, we have those 2 trades. You see this trade right here and this trade right here? Those are very high complicated trades. Even myself, I don't understand how to make those trades till these days. You know why? Because when we talk about liquidity inducement theorem, what's the first side of this? It's liquidity, right? And usually, they also teach you this, okay? You can identify this as liquidity. This level right here has liquidity. But you can also take this entry. To be fair with you guys, I think those 2 entries ended up being break-even, but since they had the print screen, they ended up sharing it. But those 2 entries probably was break-even trades, okay? But whatever. In order to catch those 2 entries, this long position right here and this short position here, it's very complicated. It's not for everybody. Anyway, I hope you guys understand a little bit better of what little trading actually is. Those multiple traders, multiple beginners, multiple I don't know, people that want to understand a little bit of trading. When they start to learn about lead trading, they all have the same problem. They start to think that lead trading will be their holy grail, that they won't take any others, they won't take stop loss anymore, they will hack the market, whatever. I don't know how you guys think about it. But at the end of the day, I just want to make sure that lead trading probably isn't what you think it is. You will also take multiple stop loss, but I can ensure to you that it's a whole new concept. It's something that you should learn if you can't. But when I made the mentorship, I think it was 2-3 years ago, it was like $5,000 per person. Yeah, $5,000 to enroll in the boot camp. Today I think it's more expensive, or I don't even know when they opened enrollment last time. I think they are a lot of time without opening enrollment at all. But yeah, at the end of the day, that's what I want to tell you guys. Little trading isn't the holy grail. It has its flaws, but definitely you should learn it if you can. But again, it's not an easy concept at all. Subscribe, drop a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.